Our objective for the day is identify solutions of inequalities with one variable. We will be learning how to write and graph inequalities with one variable. An inequality is a statement that two quantities are not equal. The quantities are compared by using the following signs. So this is your A is less than B, while the blue color symbol over here represents that A is greater than B. In the third rectangle over here, it says A is less than or equal to B. When you see this line, this is called equal sign. This one represents if A is greater than or equal to B, and this one is A is not equal to B. A solution of an inequality is any value of the variable that makes the inequality true. Okay, when we are graphing inequalities, we will come across a few of these symbols. One is yours less than symbol, this one is your greater than, this one is your less than equal symbol, and this is yours greater than equal symbol. So whenever you are graphing, what happens is for less than or greater than, you will draw a circle which is non-shaded. This means it is an empty circle over here. You will draw a circle like this. Whenever you are using less than or greater than, you will draw a circle, but what you will do is you will shade the circle. Similarly, for greater than or equal to, you will be shading this circle over here. So in upcoming slides, we will go over some of the examples which are dealing with. Okay, now let's see some more examples which are related with graphing and writing inequalities. So what is given to us in the first problem over here is they have given to us all real numbers less than 5. First of all, pay attention to this word over here where it says less and then it says then, less than 5. So this means whenever you see less than or this symbol, you will draw a circle which is not a shaded circle, it's an empty circle. Okay, less than 5 means we are having 4, 3, 2, 1. It keeps on going. So what I did on the number line, I came to 5 and I have drawn this circle and I have drawn the line. It goes over here on this direction. These are numbers less than 5. Now this one says or real number greater than -1. Now this is a negative sign. Negative sign, greater numbers will be all positive numbers. But the important thing to note over here is the circle will be drawn as what? Empty circles. What I did over here is I have drawn a circle over here. This is a -1 and I went in this direction of the positive numbers over here. All real numbers less than or equal to. You see less than or equal to 1/2. Less than or equal to means you will go to 1/2 and you will draw a circle and you will shade the circle. So we came to 1.5, we shade the circle and we went in this direction because it's less than over here. Now it says greater than or equal to. Greater than or equal to means you will draw this shaded circle at 0. Now numbers greater than or equal to 0 are 0 and all the positive numbers. So 0, I will come draw a circle over here, shade this, and all of this will go in the positive direction. Alright, question number 1, it says graph each inequality. So it is saying B is less than. So whenever you are doing these problems, always write the meaning of the symbol over here. So what I will do is I will draw a number line over here. Okay, and this is my 0 and this is my -1.5 and this is my what? Positive 1.5. So now what I have to do is I have to look over here. Since it says less than, this means my circle will be like this. So I will go to 1.5 and I will draw my circle over here. Now less than -1.5 will be what? -2.5. All less than numbers goes where? This direction. Because greater than this negative sign will be what? All the positive numbers. So this is my answer over here. So if I have to write something, I'll write it over here at this arrow pointing like this. B is less than -1.5. Let's do this problem over here. This says what? Greater than or equal to. And as you all know, greater than or equal to, this means we will be drawing a circle which is a shaded circle. So first of all, what I will do is I will draw my number line over here. I will write 0, 2 on this side. This is a negative 2 and that's a positive 2. Okay, and I will change the color of my ink. Alright, since you all know this is a circle over here, shaded circle, we will draw the shaded circle at where? At 2 over here. Now it says greater than or equal to 2. So this means it includes number 2. Numbers greater than 2 are 3, 4 and so on. So they go in this direction. Now over here it says m is less than or equal to 3 over 4. Less than, no, this is greater than. Greater than, greater than or equal to positive 3 over 4. So first of all, my circle will be shaded circle. So I'll go to 3 over 4. This is 3 over 4 and I will draw a shaded circle over here. Now since it says greater than, these are negative numbers are less than positive numbers. So it will go in which direction? This direction. So you can draw an arrow over here and this is your answer. Now let's look at this problem. This says t is less than 5 times negative 1 plus 3. So I believe we have to solve this first. So first of all, let's solve this part. Negative 1 plus 3 will give you what? Positive 2. So it will be t 5 times positive 2. How I got this? I solved this part. Now I will still have the symbol and 5 times 2 is what? 10. So my expression became like this. T is less than 10. Now keep in mind this, there is no equal sign, so circle will be like this. So I will go to 10, I will draw the circle over here. I say less than 10 means 9, 8, 7. So it goes where? In this direction over here. So you need to draw in this direction. This is yours answer for this problem over here. Okay, in this question it says if x is greater than or equal to 5. So what we will do is we will plot this point greater than or equal to 5. So and you see the symbol, so greater than or equal to means you will draw a circle and you will shade this circle. So I will go to 5 over here and I will draw a circle and I will shade this circle. Now it says greater than or equal to. Greater than 5 means 6, 7, 8 and all. So I will draw an arrow going in this direction over here. Here you go. So this is my answer for this problem over here. Okay, next question says graph x is less than or equal to. Less than or equal to negative 73. Okay, so first of all we have to find less than. This is a negative 73 over here. Now as you all can see it says less than or equal to. Okay, we all know whenever we are having symbols less than, equal to, greater than, equal to, what we draw a circle which is a shaded circle. I will draw a shaded circle. Okay, so less than numbers are what? Which will go in this direction, left side. So I will go over here and this is my answer over here, and I can always write it over here. X is less than equal to what? Negative 73. So that's my answer for this problem.